What's up, what's up, what's up? Let me go ahead and get everything going on here. Yo, what's up, everyone? What's going on? What's up, what's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Um, okay, so I'm seeing a setup off open, which looks pretty decent to trade. What's going on, guys? What's up, what's up? What's up? You sound a little low. If you want, just hold my name and just raise up the volume. But alright, guys, so I'm sure you guys read the commentary. I don't think I need to explain myself, but here's just something that we're watching. It looks pretty decent for now. I don't really like trading. Oh well, we had 10 a.m. news. That's that's something. Okay, so apparently we had 10 a.m. news with an old orange folder. I'm assuming. Yeah, yeah. Uh oh, what the fuck? um, okay. So I guess we're selling off now. I wasn't really expecting this to play out. Um, what the fuck's going on? Bro, what is going on? What is this? Bro, I wasn't expect. I mean, uh, do I even enter? Okay. Well, I had a setup. I wasn't expecting this to happen at all. At all. What the fuck? Okay. Well, let me refocus here, cause I don't even know what's going on here. I I thought I had a setup. I guess I didn't. In a way. What the fuck? Okay. Well, I don't even know if I should scrap this idea then, cause this setup I mean it got filled. I don't know if we're bearish or bullish now, cause of the news. I didn't even know we had news at 10 a.m. Apparently we did. And it made the market go apeshit crazy. Apparently. I don't know. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I want to trade this. Yeah, I can see that it makes the money move. Yeah, yeah, or the market move, not the money. We're probably bullish now. I don't know. I mean, the market doesn't really have any trend either. I mean, I was going based off the technicals that I had here. Um, Looking like yesterday. I mean, it doesn't look all that bad. It doesn't look horrible. I mean, the market is moving on like yesterday, but I was not expecting that candle. I mean, we had a good setup. I just don't know what happened at all. But okay. Anyways, I don't even know if I wanna trade the setup. I'd rather not. Um, cause I don't know what happened there at all. Uh, yeah. I'm kind of speechless right now because I don't know what to say. I mean I don't know what to do. Yeah, I know we had news. Well, trust me, I could see, bro. You don't have to ping me. I can see that we had news. Trust me. Retracement. Um, I don't know. Like if we trade this, it'll be like the riskiest shit ever. And I'm not trying to do that on a Friday. Did you get in the trade? No, I did not get in. Um, Let it play out. I guess. I mean that's the only choice we have. I mean I don't know if I want to trade this. I mean we still could because the candle hasn't closed technically, but it's gonna be a risky ass setup. It's gonna be a risky ass setup. Um, Let me see. Can you show me? I'll do that after, bro. Not now. Now while I'm trading. Uh, yeah, there's news. I can see that. Yeah, yeah. Trust me, guys. I can see that. Um, I guess for now, I mean this candle is really indecisive, and I mean really indecisive. If anything, worst comes to worst, we can sweep. I did want to kind of take out this level up here at 522, because we did have one from a bit ago. I mean it was this high up here from this rally gap. I would want us to pump up a little bit higher so we can get a better setup up here. But if the market wants to inverse this one, um, I would hey David, did you know there's new? No, I mean I didn't. If I mean, good thing that I came out before I took the trade, cause we would have gotten really screwed, really screwed. Today would have been my dad's 76. Oh, bro, happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday. Birthday to him, man. Someone, man. Jordan, my full respect to you, bro. Um, Let me see. Equal low on ES. Uh, Thing is, I don't know how ES. ES looks like whatever as well. I feel like NQ looks a little bit better. But yeah, Jordan, happy birthday to him, man. Yeah, no, for real, for real. You can't take advantage of this life, man. Really can't. Normal size or smaller? I mean, bro, I don't know. I don't even have a setup anymore. I mean, news came out. I don't know what to tell you guys. You guys have to be a little bit patient. You get what I'm saying? It's like asking me where's the stop loss before I even get the setup. You get what I'm saying? I almost put the trigger. I'm glad I didn't. Was more hesitant from yesterday getting into early. Yeah, I mean there was no even if it played out. I mean you wouldn't have any other any confirmation. Of course, Jordan. Of course, bro. Of course, of course. ES looks cleaner. NQ looks really choppy. I can probably agree with you on that one. I mean ES looks just as choppy. It just has cleaner levels in a way. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, I mean, if the market wants to go up here, which I'm hoping it does a little bit, at least into 522. If it goes up into 522, I'll be a lot more calm because this setup right here, I'm probably not even gonna take it because of news. News really messed the setup up big time. Thanks to your discipline teaching, I didn't take the inverse. I mean, yeah, there's I mean, we even if we wanted to, we couldn't. That thing played out way too quick. I doubt we would even get filled. My analysis was the same as yours. Was looking for short, but what the fuck is PA? I mean, bro, I have the same question as you. I have the same question because of the news. It's been a while since I've seen an orange folder really move the market like that. I mean, if it's gonna move the market like that, you might as well just mark it red. I don't know why they marked it orange. Marked it orange. But I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Bro, I left Wednesday green. The move to Atlanta. Apparently, I didn't move my stop loss. Went next to the market and entered again. I didn't know. I was up on the account. No way, bro. But you know how many times that's happened to me? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It should be red. I don't know. I don't know why they marked it out orange. That because you get what I'm saying. That messes people up. That really messes people up. Because I mean, people look at an orange folder and they're like even me. I look at an orange folder. I'm like, oh, I can care less. I couldn't care less about an orange folder. In the original game plan, would you not have used the 5 minute fair value up to inverse? There's no 5 minute. I can't really read your name. Kerbenson, I think that's your name. There's no 5 minute fair value gap. That's why I'm focused on the 15 minute. But yeah, no, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. But yeah, I guess for now the game plan would be to take out 522 instead. This week is good, but this week has been something, bro. I'm gonna tell you that. This week has been something surprising. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. We've been doing surprisingly good. This week, like I'm just gonna be completely honest with you guys, because I mean you guys see a CPI week with no news. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday CPI. This, and we've pulled out some pretty good trades on days that I didn't even expect to trade at all. You get what I'm saying? So I would say this week has, although we didn't trade yesterday, which is I don't really care about. We did surprisingly good this week. Like surprisingly good. I mean I really wasn't expecting it at all. It's been a pretty good week for a weird market. Yeah, like we've been. It's not even that the market was good. I mean it kind of was. It was alright. It was alright. Um. So what's it called? I mean for days that look, I wasn't expecting a trade Monday, and we got one. I really wasn't expecting anything Tuesday because you guys remember Tuesday it was bad, and we still got something. And Wednesday I wasn't even trying to trade Wednesday because of CPI, and we still got something. You get what I'm saying? Like this week, it should have been. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I was expecting it to be a shit show with everyone asking for trades, but we've gotten some really good trades. Yeah, we've been printing all week. And hopefully we can get something today, to end the week off right. But regardless, on a Friday, I usually tend to size a little bit lighter so I don't risk any profits for the week. So whatever happens happens. Today, hopefully it's all good, but we'll see. We should have had a pretty quick day with this setup, but apparently the market had other plans. uh, Once you really respect the market, it blesses you every day. Exactly, bro. No, it's not even the market. I mean, yeah, the market, but it's also your rules. You know what I'm saying? If once you respect, like for yesterday, for example, a lot of people, I would say the people that tried trading it, it was a headache for them, right? For us, how have I been? Wait, what? I've been good, bro. But for us, I mean, yesterday it wasn't really stressful. I mean, we stayed on for a while. I can't lie. I really overdid my stay. In the live trading, I wasn't really trying to trade all that long. But I stayed on for a while. I stayed on to like what, like 12:30, maybe 12:40, maybe 1 around there. Before I called it. And I technically don't really do that. So I'm definitely not gonna do that today. Like today, if I don't see anything by like 11:30, maybe 12, I'm gonna end it. No questions asked. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with vibing. No, but it was too much. You get what I'm saying? Like it got to the point where my head was hurting from looking at the charts. You get what I'm saying? So I'm definitely not trying to do that again. I don't like overdoing my charting and all that stuff. So when I see something like that, I rather not, because it gets me tilted. It gets me tilted. You get what I'm saying? What's the time you were live? I think I was live from like 10:20 to like 1:30 maybe. So I mean, bro, that's some time on the charts. You get what I'm saying? That is not something I'm trying to do at all. That's not something anyone's trying to do. Sorry, was I live? Is that what you're trying to ask? Was I live? Yeah, I was live. Or where do I live? Sorry, where you live? I don't know if you're misspelling it, or if you're. Oh, oh, I'm in Miami, bro. Yeah. Let me see. You're gonna realize when you. Yeah, no, no, exactly. Yesterday was the day to. Thank God that we stayed cash yesterday. Because yesterday was definitely not the day to trade. I hope you guys stayed cash with me, because I mean, to be fair, there was no setup yesterday. So if you guys traded something, I'm concerned, because I mean, there was really nothing to trade here. Check the premium chat. Um, bro, Krabby, no way. But yeah, right now the market. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna be so fast to say that the market is choppy, because it really isn't. I guess it wanted to kind of form something before news, and then it just had other plans. We did have a good setup that should have played out. But we can't really trade it anymore, because I mean, look at this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna delete this out of here. Um, because the market had other ideas. Let me see. How much should I wish for risk per trade? With how much? $5,100 funded. Is that even a thing? 5,100. I mean, what's your drawdown, Christopher? What's your drawdown on the account? Um, Let me see. Is it? It is a red folder in in the financial juice. I guess. I mean, Forest Factory really messed people up there, because this folder should not have been red, and they have control over that. They should have made this. I mean, it should have been red, not shouldn't have been red. Um, so yeah, I don't know why they put it as orange. I guess they didn't know, but they gotta. When it's your job to do this, you really can't fuck up like that. Let me see. Do you use TradeAway to trade? Not sure. Yeah, I use TradeAway. Yeah, I use TradeAway on my second monitor, so I can place the orders. But yeah, let's see if we can take out 522. This is the only thing I'm really waiting for right now. Is orange always orange? But okay. It's not that it's always orange. I mean, if they know that it moves like crazy and it's high impact, they have to make it a red folder. Because I mean, how many times? And we're selling off now. Okay, apparently. How many times do you look at an orange folder and you get worried about it? Practically never. You get what I'm saying? Practically never. Um. So yeah, I mean today I didn't even see the orange folder, and I'm like, I guess we don't have any news. I don't really care about it. And out of nowhere, we had a candle that pumped up 100 points and dumped back down 100 points and pumped back up 50 points. You get what I'm saying? So that's definitely, in my opinion, I guess that's on them in a way. Because in my opinion, I feel like they should make it a red folder. Sign number two to stay cash. Um, we had a red folder. No, we didn't. Not today. Um, I'm not gonna say to stay cash yet. I mean, the market just opened like less than an hour ago. So we're kind of just waiting on the setup here. I'm waiting for some sweep to happen, or some fair value gap to form. Um, right now I am looking at more downside than upside. So I mean, we'll see. We'll see. That was, I mean, I didn't know that. That's the thing, and I'm sure a lot of people that use the website, I'm sure they didn't know that it was gonna be that high impact. Because if you look at the folder, it says that it's medium impact. Yeah, no one knew exactly. Well, it's not that no one knew. I mean, I'm assuming some people knew, but for the people that don't know, like me, I was just expecting some random candle, and that's it. No, apparently he just wanted to pump up and down like crazy. Maybe PM. I don't know if I could do. I don't know if I could trade PM today. Because I have to go talk to my accountant for taxes because I gotta see how much I gotta pay this year. Um. So yeah, I gotta go figure that out and stuff like get everything sorted. Put everything aside. Yeah. So I won't be able to trade PM session today. Cause at least I can probably trade till like 1, but I have to start getting ready because I have to be there at 3. So yeah, taxes are they're gonna fuck me up because of the payouts and shit. You really don't have to pay them. I mean, you know, but yeah, no, the payouts so far they've been, God bless, they've been good. I'd rather get payouts and pay taxes rather than get no payouts and pay no taxes. What are you talking about regarding taxes? Nothing. I kind of just brought it up. You could reduce income tax. Yeah, I mean, I gotta figure all that out with him. I don't know. I don't really know too much about taxes. I gotta explain to him, the other stuff that I've been reeling in, with payouts, and all that stuff. By the appreciate asset. I want. Do you have an LC? Yeah, I do. I do. Of course, I do. Yeah. How much you making this year? No, definitely not that high. Definitely not that high. It's a bit. Definitely a lot more than last year. So it's to a point where my mom got a little bit worried. Yeah, of course, of course. My mom got a little bit worried, and she's like, look, you gotta figure this out because you're gonna get like really really messed up. Yeah, I am. If anything, bro, Scorpius, I'm gonna have to save more. I don't know, but this goes out to everyone. If you guys are trading and you guys are getting payouts, please set aside money for taxes because when it comes to trading, it's really not a joke. Like I get it for your job, whatever. No, but with trading, it's not a joke. So give or take on a 10 when you if you guys are doing funded accounts like what most of us are doing, including me, um funded accounts, it's like you're technically under a salary under Apex, so you're paying a 1099. From what I know, from what I've heard. um yeah, so you are paying. Yes, Uzi, they do. Yeah, like big time. Yeah, especially capital gains. So if you guys are trading on a live account, like with your own money and really trading with your own money, I'm assuming you have to pay what's it called? I'm assuming you have to pay capital gains, right? Which really really messes you up. And that's why I kind of prefer funded accounts a bit more over live accounts. Because with the live account, I mean with the funded account, I guess you have more of a tax advantage. Let me see. I set aside. Yeah, only yeah. Does the capital? It depends. I don't know too much about PR, but I'm in Miami. So, did you see the level you told us to send and trade that? I don't really care about that level. I mean, I don't even think it played out. I don't even think it's anywhere near playing out. Yeah, no, it's nowhere near playing out. I don't. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see if NQ could take out this 522. I'm kind of still waiting on it. Let me see. Hey, bro, I don't know what website you use use for news. Okay, got it. Yeah, I saw. Yeah, I use Forex Factory, and Forex Factory just had other ideas. They marked it as an orange folder. Tax question: do you know if it's better to have an LLC bank account to get payouts? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you. I'm assuming you would have more of a advantage under an LLC. I just got hit. No, not yet, not yet. We are inside of this 15-minute fair value gap. I do know that, but I want to take out this 522 level. If you guys look right here, we have this 15-minute fair value gap. We have a DOL right here that I do want to take out before we see anything. And then I'm expecting a rejection because I mean we're sweeping liquidity. The nearest liquidity actually, we don't have anything else higher, and we also have a bearish fair value gap up here that we can reject from. But yeah. What made your first invalid setup invalid? Just news? Yeah, just news. I mean, I don't know what happened here, but it's definitely not something I'm trying to trade. So definitely not. Yeah. So I would say yeah, the setup was good. I mean, we had all the confirmations, and then the news just kind of ruined it. When do you recommend setting up an LLC? I would say as soon as possible, right? Yeah, as soon as possible. It just helps you out in like everything, pretty much. Just trying to offshore through shell companies, bro. I don't know any tax what is it like workarounds, I guess. I don't know any of that. Guys, we're right here. We keep rejecting off this fair value gap. But I wanted to at least take out 522. I mean, we were like 3 points away. I want to at least take out 522 before I tell you guys that we're bearish, because we could be bearish. I mean, there's no reason not to be. But I really want to take out 522 so we can get that level out of the way. Yo, Blasters, has this ever happened to you? Look at this video. I don't trade through Trader or I mean through TradingView, so I can't really tell you. It's you probably blew your account, bro. If your order's getting rejected, you either don't have live data or you blew your account. Those are the only two things that can happen. And you said yesterday that you didn't have live data, so you probably still don't have it. How much percent do you pay on taxes from funded accounts? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna find out this year. I don't think I don't think it's a percent. Cause look. If you're doing funded accounts, you're under a 1099 from what I know, from what I understood. Do they message me if I passed? I mean, yeah, they do. Yeah. Yeah, it matters on your income bracket exactly. So remember, if you guys are doing funded accounts, which is practically like 99% of you guys in here, what's it called? And you get a payout. That payout is considered a salary, right? So depending on how much you made off your salary for the year, that's how much you're gonna be in the income bracket. So if you made $200,000 in payouts, you're gonna have to pay 35% of the payout, right? So I mean, like, what's 200K out of you know you get what I'm saying? You're just gonna have to pay based off the income bracket. Now for capital gains tax, now that's different. I don't know how that really works all that much, because when I used to trade for capital gains, I used to trade under my mom's name. So my mom used to pay the taxes, and um she just told me what to give her. Damn, that 70K. Yeah, it sucks giving it away, but what can you do about it? You get what I'm saying? I'm sure there's workarounds, so you're probably not just join a rebut. No, we don't have anything yet. Will you be taxed if you don't live in the U.S.? No. I mean, well, yeah. It depends on where you live, of course. It's not as much as options. I mean, it depends. It depends. It depends how much you make. Of course, with options, if you make 200K, you're gonna pay maybe even half of that money because of capital gains tax. I'm pretty sure capital gains is like what, like 60% that you have to pay. No, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I could be wrong. That's just what I heard. Capital gains are way less. Are you sure? For real? I'm always sure that capital gains were more. Oh damn. All right. Nope. Less. Okay. Cool. Got it. Got it. I don't know, cause me, my friends and I, we don't really know too much about taxes. That's just what we read online. People are always talking about short-term gains and all that stuff. I do know something gets taxed 60%. I just don't know. Oh, long-term is 60%. Got it. Okay, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. What's the difference between NQ1 and NQU? NQU is the one that you trade. NQ1 is the one that you chart. Riley. Guys, I don't know anything about capital gains like at all. I'm not the one to ask because I'm as clueless as some of you guys in here. How did I blow my account? Bro, I don't know. I don't know. You probably hit the trading drawdown. You have to check through the website, Hamoud. Go to Tradevate. And at the top right, it will tell you your drawdown. If it's at zero, you hit the drawdown. Wait, are we supposed to use NQ1? No, 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 no. It's just something that I use. You guys don't need to use it. But look, with PR, it's not as easy as zero capital gains tax. I'm pretty sure you have to be a resident there for like majority of the thing. I don't even know if you can have your US thing there. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I really don't. Let me see. While short-term capital gains from stocks are taxed from your ordinary income tax rate. Damn. Okay, futures is. I mean, I don't know a person in the world doing futures trading as long-term at all. So I don't know. I don't know how that works. Steph, that's the thing is, I feel like all the tax workarounds they make it completely complicated and they make it a headache because of course it's tax money at the end of the day. How old am I? I'm 19. Can you record a backtesting session? I have them all recorded, Rocky. If you go over to the Discord, if you scroll up to where it says day trading guide, all of my backtesting and classes and all that stuff, they're all recorded here. So if you have some free time, and by free time I mean a few hours of your time, Feel free to check these videos out. I explain everything about my strategy. I back test. I look through trades that I took and all that stuff. So if you want to check that out, it's all there, bro. But yeah, guys, for taxes, I know it might sound pretty dumb. I don't know anything about taxes, so yeah, I'm not the one to ask. Let me see. Um, Wait, Jesse, did you send something? I. Oh, that's hard. Bro, damn, 50 to 60%. I'm assuming you live in Cali, right? Around there. But yeah, Jazzy, I don't know if you deleted your message or not. Oh, by the way, we just took out liquidity. I don't know if you deleted your message or not, but I'm assuming from what you were asking, yes, of course, I will alert it. I will always alert it. Always. There hasn't been a time where I've never alerted it. But yeah, guys, okay. So, right now, yeah, exactly. I'm 19, like, you know. Okay. Anyways, guys, so we just took out the liquidity that we were looking for at 522. So ideally, what we will want to see here would be in a selling candle. We want to start seeing some sort of an MSS start forming off of this fair value gap. Because if you guys really pay attention here, if you guys look back here, we have DOL at 522, and we have nothing else above until 644, which is really, really far away, about 120 points. Um, by the way, Hamoud, if you blew the account today, they will send you the email when the market closes. They don't send you the email right as you blow the account. So I don't know. I don't know. Were you up $2,000 at one point by any chance? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then you hit the trailing drawdown. Yeah. Yeah. So if you lost $2,000 again, then yeah, the account is gone, bro. Because remember, there's a trailing drawdown. It trails up as you make money. Anyways, so guys, so what's going on here is we have the 15-minute fair value gap that we're looking to reject, which we kind of are right now a little bit. On top of that, we have this liquidity at 522, which we're also looking to sweep and take out. Yeah, it's my last level of liquidity until 644, so I'm not really expecting anything else to the upside, which is exactly why the market is sort of selling off right here. Now, with the market selling off here, what are we looking for? What we're going to look for is going to be, since we don't have anything to inverse to the downside, we're going to need to wait a little bit longer and wait for a fair value gap to go ahead and form down here. Once the fair value gap forms around here, we're going to look for a retracement into the fair value gap that forms. Then we're going to look for shorts to target PT1, 2, 3, and 4 down here. That is the current game plan right now. Now, I'm not gonna be so quick to say that we have a setup yet because we really don't. We have the confirmations, right? I mean, everything is lining up. I mean, we're getting the selling, we're getting everything to line up, right? I mean, look at the selling. You guys see what I'm saying? We knew that this was gonna happen. We knew that the market was gonna sell off, right? You guys knew it. I knew it. It makes sense, right? Now, can we trade this yet? No. Why can't we trade it? Because the market has not given us a entry model to really take this selling to the downside, right? So we're gonna have to be a little bit more patient here and even see if the market can even hold this selling to the downside, right? So we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer on this. So yeah, you know what I mean. They send you an email when you lose your account. Yeah, they're like I think Topset does at least. Topset they're like hey, everyone blows accounts. It happens, bro. Just try again. You know, stuff like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Apex does send you an email. I'm pretty sure I've seen it. Yeah, 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 they have. Bro, what? Uzi, bro, what the hell? But yeah, guys, right now what we're waiting for, even if we get the smallest fair value gap, I will still consider taking it, because we know that the market wants to go down. We know exactly where the market wants to go down and exactly why the market wants to go down. Question is can we create a fair value gap on the way down? Right now it looks pretty promising, right? I mean, for now, I mean we have the fair value gap. All we have to do is actually close this gap right here. Do we get it? I don't know. This candle closes in 2 minutes, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit more. Right? Worst comes to worst, I don't know if ES has the same setup. No, it doesn't. ES just barely took out. It didn't take out liquidity. So yeah, we're gonna be focusing as always on NQ today. To really see what it wants to do here. But yeah, I'm really hoping we can hold down this candle a little bit more. So we can get that FVG to be formed there. I'm really hoping we can sell off here. Bro, Steven. Are you going full today? No, on Fridays, guys, I don't know. This is my rule for me. On Fridays, I don't like to size full because of, what's it called? I mean, we've had an amazing week. Why would I risk it today to possibly go red and lose the money that we made this week? So I'm good. Right? I rather just size a little bit lighter, you know, make the best out of it and all that stuff. Yes, I read it, Brizzy. There's a reason I didn't read it out loud, bro. But oh, okay, there's a lot of selling coming in, so that's a good thing. That's a really good thing. You size less than half of your normal. No, no. Usually around half on Fridays. It's more of like a mental type of thing. I just don't like to size full because I mean, going red on a Friday is bad enough. Let alone going really red on Friday. That's just gonna ruin your weekend, right? So, if worst comes to worst, which God forbid, I really hope we don't. If we go red today, we really won't lose practically anything from what we made this week. Because this week, I mean, I'm sure we've all made money. I've made a lot of money this week. From the trades that we've caught, and all that stuff. I mean, let's be honest here. Almost all the trades have gone over 100. Not almost all of them. They all went over 100 points this week. So I mean, we've been definitely blessed this week. And it's not something I'm really trying to give back to the market. So yeah. By the way, I'm really hoping the market does not sell off too strong because we had the setup here. We finally formed the setup. Here, let me write the commentary real quick, guys. Give me 1 second. But the thing is, even I can't even write it because we're gonna take our liquidity again, bro. Oh man. Shit. Shit. Because we have the setup here. We have the setup. But the sellers are too strong. They're too strong. I don't know if we're gonna see a retracement here. Because we have the perfect fair value gap right here. I mean, guys, once again, we knew. Okay, look, we all knew here. Um, no, right now, no. Of course, why would it be time to short? I mean, there's no entry model. But we took our liquidity. No, why? I mean, I'm sure we go lower. There's no reason for the market to go up. But man, this would have been our first PT. Man. That's the thing that's worrying me now. Cause I mean, I'm not too worried because I still want to be bearish. Because if the market wants to go higher, it has no room to go up. I mean, everything is holding it down. We have this DOL sweep. We have the fair value gap. We have all that stuff, right? But I mean, I would say we still have room to go lower into. I'm still gonna look for shorts. If I want to take anything, it will be shorts. But man, why did I need to take out this level to the point, bro? ES wants Asia. Thing is, ES on the other hand, it's look, ES missed the level, so it's a bit questionable. It's definitely a bit questionable here. But man, now we're gonna run a higher risk here. We're definitely gonna run a higher risk here, for this setup. It didn't take liquidity. It did. It's right here. At least the 414 one, not 398. 414 it took it out. It's one tick off. No, guys, it literally hit it. I don't know what you guys. It hit it. On my screen, it didn't take it out. Oh, because you guys are probably looking at the M and Q U contracts. Oh, I mean if we didn't take it out, I mean shit. All right, I'll take it. Don't do it. We didn't actually. Then why did we take it on NQ one? That's weird. I mean, if we didn't take it, I guess I guess we could still take it. I mean, regardless, I was still gonna take shorts nonetheless. Because I know we have room to go lower. I mean, we have to, guys, we have to fill all the liquidity from yesterday and the day before. So we have a lot of room to go down. Now to the upside, I don't know anything about that because I mean the next level that we have is 644. I don't think we see 644. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be looking to take shorts around this fair rally gap once we close it. That is the current game plan right now. I guess I'll just delete this level then if it's not really that important. Hey bro, there's a bullish fair rally gap on the 50-minute fair rally gap. Should we use that to inverse? Um, nah, I already got inverse. Nah, I wouldn't do it. Julio, I wouldn't do it. Mm, But yeah, guys, the game plan would look somewhat. Oh yeah, like we're risking like what, like 25 points? Not horrible. But yeah, we know exactly why the market wants to go down and exactly where it wants to go down into. We just need that the retracement. Once you get that retracement, then we should be chilling. But yeah, this candle closes in 1 minute. I didn't write any commentary, so if anything, I'll just write the commentary in the alert. And this is what I mean right here. So we have DOL. Then we have a DOL sweep plus FEG rejection, and then we have the MSS. Okay, there you go. So that's just so it makes a lot more sense here. There you go. But okay, so this kind of finally went ahead and opened. So let's see if we can even get this retracement right here. Hopefully we can, because I want to see at least into 398. That's what I want to see here. But the thing that worries me is that we took on NQ, we technically did take this level out, and we are seeing some buyers stepping in. So, guys, once again, guys, I don't know if you guys want to size with me, size light with me today, but I would suggest you guys do so, because you guys know it's a Friday. I don't want you guys throwing away any profits over, you know, some bad setup that goes against us, because you guys know losses happen, right? And God forbid this one is an L, but you know, if it ends up happening, we won't really lose anything for the week, right? So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. I'm gonna be sizing a little bit light. I'm gonna be looking to do maybe half size, around there. I just want to make some extra money, you know, to end the week, and that's about it. So yeah, if you guys, you know, I don't want to hear anyone complain that they're down $1,000 or this or that or that. You know, you guys should be looking to risk like maybe $200, $300 on this trade. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, okay. So we just got the retracement. Now, thing is, I don't know if we sweep here. That is gonna be the question. I don't know if the market sweeps. Because remember, guys, we did take out liquidity up here. So if we do inverse this for value gap, it's gonna be something, right? And we're gonna know exactly why it's gonna sweep it, if we do end up sweeping it. Yeah, let's see if we can get some rejections here. I want to make sure that sellers are really in control. Because remember, guys, we got to be a little bit more cautious today. Because of course, remember, we're running the risk of getting inverse because of off of this sweep, right? So be very careful today, guys. I'm gonna consider the setup a little bit more risky than usual, because it's not. It looks good, but it's not a super A plus because of the sweep that we got at 414, right? So keep that in mind, guys. Please be careful off this setup. That's the best thing I could really tell you guys. Now let's see if we can get this rejection here. I'm still waiting on it. Buyers are looking to get a little bit weaker. But I really want to make sure that sellers are in control. I don't want to see like a random little rejection. No, I want to see a big rejection before I enter. I need to make sure that this looks as good as possible. Maybe even a green to red candle flip. I guess that'll be my confirmation for now. If anything, just at least hit the midpoint. Okay, we're getting a rejection here. Let's see if this holds up. Come on, buyers are still trying to step in here. I'm just waiting for the weakness to step in. Because this one's tricky. This one's really because we on NQ we technically, guys, we did sweep this, so it's worrying me a little bit because I don't know if we're gonna inverse this or not. We really shouldn't because I don't think the market has any room to go higher because we took out every level of the nearby liquidity. So it makes no sense. I mean, if the market wants to go down, it would take out all of these levels, ideally. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on here. Okay, let's see if we inverse it. Okay, we got another rejection off that. Still waiting for the inverse to step on in. Come on. Or not the inverse, the rejection, not the inverse. If this inverses, then I guess I'll just scrap this idea. Because guys, we have a reason to inverse. I just don't see why we should. Because remember, guys, we took this out, so that's not something I want to see. But we really have no choice around it then. Still waiting on some rejection here. I just want this kind of to flip back down because we are in the midpoint, so we can still reject here. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, this thing is gonna inverse. This thing is looking a little bit ugly here. I'm not gonna even gonna lie to you guys. Buyers look way too strong inside of this rally gap. There's no sellers in control. There's absolutely no sellers in control this time. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so it got inversed. So this is not something. I mean, we can still reject here. There won't be any. I would have to see a lot of selling to come in, but definitely not something. And you guys see. You guys saw the patience behind the setup. How we waited for the rejection. If there's no rejection, we won't take it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, patience pays, guys. Patience pays, guys. But I'm assuming we can still reject off this. We can probably fake this for rally gap out and then go back down. If that doesn't end up happening, then I'll just scrap this idea and just wait for another one. Because the thing is, the reason I was so cautious with the setup is I'm sure you guys know is because we took out a big level of liquidity. This is the news candle at 10 a.m. We took it out at 4:14 to the tick, and then we just went right back up. So we're probably gonna go back into this liquidity up here at 5:30. But I don't know. Because sellers don't look strong at all. Yeah, no, it's something I definitely don't want to take. Yeah, so I'm gonna scrap this idea out. Definitely not something I want to take. And I hope you guys stay patient with me on this one. You guys see what I mean? You guys see what I mean? Like, we need to say, let me see. Hey, new here, but not new here. Been here for a month, just watching and learning. But when shorting, you click sell market. Yeah, you do click sell market, and then when you want to get out, just click buy market. Yeah. Actually, no. Click close all positions. That'll be a lot easier for you, Steven. Yeah. Yeah. So exactly, those confirmations are key. Because guys, I mean, if we would have taken this off a little rejection, I mean, we would have gotten stopped out. Yeah, exactly. So there's no confirmation of short, at least yet. So another setup that we kind of missed out on again. But yeah, if what if we were bullish and it just took out the critical higher? I mean, yeah, if you're bullish, you would take longs off this inverse. That's what I would do. But I'm not really all that bullish. There's a lot of stuff holding us down from going any higher. First and foremost, we don't have any liquidity to the upside. So if the market wants to go higher, it's going to be very, very hard for the market to go higher. Second of all, we took out liquidity at 522, which is the nearby liquidity, which is once again we don't have any liquidity above. And second of all, we have this very, very strong 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour fair value gap that is currently holding us down. Right? So, do I think the market wants to go higher? No. Is it trying to go higher? Yes. So we're gonna have to be a little bit more patient and really wait for that to happen. It's all a patience game, guys. But I'd rather be cash in red. Can we inverse a new fair value gap that's forming? I don't think we have one, right? Yeah, I mean, oh, actually, we have a fair value gap right here, so we can probably just inverse this again. Thing is, we're gonna need better selling to come in because the buying right now is a little bit, like a little bit questionable. But yeah, worst comes to worst, if you really want to inverse this one right here, we could. Why NQ1 and not MNQ? Because it's. I mean, guys, I've always charted this. I had a question I tagged you in. Let me see. Let me find it. Or is it exit? Wait, but my question is, hold on. My question is, being I only have $400 drawdown. If I get in and go red and waiting to go green, for example, it won't automatically. Yeah, no. If you hit the 400, if you go down minus $400, it will automatically take you out of the position and just close your account. Yeah. That fair value of is weak. Yeah, it really is. So I'm hearing stay cash. For now, I mean, we can't really read anything in the market yet. I mean, nothing has really been respected. We had the 15-minute fair value gap off open. It got inversed, went right back up. Nothing happened. We had this fair value gap right here. Got retraced into, but buyers weren't strong enough because we swept this 414 level. So that's what I said. Like I said, guys, am I expecting the market to go up? It could. I just don't think it should. Cause I mean, there's no reason why it should, in my opinion. It probably just wants to retest this high, or maybe ES just wants to take out this high first, and then go back down, right? So you guys get what I'm saying here? Maybe the market went up just because it wanted to take out this ES high and then go back down. Because if you guys look at the 1 hour time frame, you guys will see what I mean right around here. Right, we have a really nice high up here. The next one is at 669, but for the one that we have now is at 636. So yeah, I'm just looking to take out this level right here. Yeah, 636. So I took it out. Can we expect a rejection now? More than likely, yeah. More than likely. I'm expecting the market to sell off around this range at least. Now, if it has other plans, then I don't know what to tell you guys because I won't really be able to take anything. But can we inverse this fair value gap right here? Yes, we absolutely could. Matter of fact, let me mark it out. But am I expecting a rejection? Yes, I am. Bro, my chart looks so. Matter of fact, hold up. Since I'm not gonna use this fair value gap, I might as well just do this, and then just delete this. So it looks a lot cleaner because I have a million levels on my chart. It wants 644, bro. That's far. That's far. Like the thing is, I'm not gonna say it wants it because the trend is not really bullish. The trend is kind of, we don't even have a trend, to be fair. We really don't. I mean, the market has been pretty questionable since we opened. Check ES. Yeah, I already did. Trust me, bro. I did a whole conversation on ES on why we should be rejecting. Right? It took out the 636 level. We took it out fair and square. Now only thing we have to do is kind of just reject back down. Right? So is the setup still in play? Yes. But we're gonna have to be a little bit more patient. 480 till now. I mean, bro, good trade. Good trade. I mean, I do see why you would want to take longs, Clyden. I really do see it. I mean, to be fair, I wasn't bullish. I mean, I would have taken this setup any other day, but I really wasn't bullish because we took out the liquidity up here, then we took this one out, and it's super confusing. There's 3 fair value gaps it can bounce off of. It has only 2. It has this one and this one right here. Would I want to inverse this one first? Yes, but honestly, I want to get an early entry, so I would probably inverse this instead. Is it creating a lower low? No. It's actually creating higher lows. Yeah. You have the main low, higher low, and so on. If we take out 530, can we get an MSS for value up and go based off that? I mean, yeah. Same game plan. Yeah, same idea. Why do you think it's going higher? Because we still have liquidity down here. It had the reason to go high. I wasn't expecting it to go higher, but it had the reason to. I can't say that the market just pumped up out of nowhere because it really didn't. But in my opinion, yeah, I'm tired. In my opinion, I feel like the reason why the market kind of wanted to go a little bit higher is because ES wanted to catch up here. If you guys look at ES, we took out we finally took out the liquidity because NQ took it out first, and ES didn't. So ES retraced back up, took it out, and now wants to go back down. You get what I'm saying here? So that's my game plan right now. Am I bearish? I want to be bearish, yeah. How much is your stream delay? It's 2 minutes, Riley. It's a 2-minute delay. Wait, would you go bullish off that fair value gap or bearish? Bearish. Because I don't see a reason. Okay, look. I don't see a reason for the market to go any higher at all. Like this line right here, for the people wondering, it's a fair value gap line, just so I know exactly where the fair value gap closes. But the next level of liquidity that we have is at 644, which is far as shit. Can you decrease the delay in the stream? I could, but I'm not going to. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Now bro, Jonathan, there is no delay here, bro. This one is not. No, it's not delayed. It's not delayed. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, LC. Yeah, no, I can't delete Discord. I won't ever do that either. Up 4K, I'm at 200. I got locked out. Bro, I think you made too much money, bro. But yeah, guys. Right here, we have all the reasons in the world to look for shorts here, off this inverse. We just gotta be careful with this one. This is gonna be a little bit risky. Guys, hold on, I'm gonna go get water real quick. I'll be back. Give me 2 seconds. No, I'm here. I'm here. Um, I'm here. I went to go get water. I went to go get water. But yeah. All right. So we closed the fair value gap here. So what I'm kind of looking for here would be an inverse. That'll be super ideal. Let me see the chat real quick, guys. Hold up. Told you, bro. I use multiple systems, but that's fire. Looking at that chart, bro, as a trader, as a full-time trader, bro, that shit's scary. Is this a B plus trade? No, it's a pretty good trade. We just need the settings to come in. In my opinion, it's a pretty good trade. We have all the reasons to be bearish here. 25-point stop looks like, yeah, around there. But yeah, we have, in my opinion, I feel like we have all the reasons in the world to be bearish. The market pumped up a little bit, I guess, but nothing that should really scare us. And damn, okay, so we're getting this, guys. Let's be quick here. I'm gonna look at like a 25-point stop loss maybe. But yeah. Got 2 girls in the car. Okay, let's see if sellers can really hold up here. Because all we have to do is inverse this one. The thing is, this one's gonna worm me a little bit. So we need sellers to really step in here. But we'll see. We'll find out. Because we're rejecting off of fair value gap. We swept ES. We swept NQ. We have everything's lining up bearish. But yeah, guys. All right, I'm gonna start looking for some shorts soon, guys. So be ready here. Be ready. Because sellers are really stepping in their game here, like big time. Question is can they really hold this? Let's see. Hopefully we don't just bounce off this fair value gap and just rock it back up. And I'm pretty sure ES is pretty much dying right now, right? I'm assuming I don't want to tab out. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna tab out, but I'm assuming ES is falling. Oh yeah, it definitely is. Yeah, we swept. Yeah, we dumped 10 points from it. Yep. There it is. ES is already inversing, so NQ should be picking up soon. Because we're inversing this one, but the thing is we have to inverse this one. And same goes to NQ. If we're gonna enter off this, we need to make sure that this gets inverse as well. Because if we bounce off this, then we're really screwed big time. So we gotta be careful with that, guys. We gotta be really careful with that. But yeah, we need to inverse this, and we need to inverse this down here. And in my opinion, ES looks like the weak one. So ES might dump a little bit harder than NQ. At least for now. So yeah, I'm waiting on this to come on by. Come on. Okay, we're getting some selling here. I want to enter off the breakout. Like, if we get a strong breakout, I just want to enter off the rip. But buyers are really trying to hold this up because buyers want this to go higher. But I don't. I'm as bearish as I could possibly be. I really don't think the market goes higher. I could be wrong, of course. I mean, I'm human, of course. But I really don't see why the market should go higher. I don't see a reason. I really don't. I mean, yes. Okay, look, guys. Look, this is my reasoning. ES swept. NQ swept highs. ES swept highs. We're forming the MSS. We're rejecting off a bearish rally up on both ES and NQ up here. We're trying to inverse this bullish one, and we have a lot of room to the downside. So everything is lining up bearish. There is no reason to go higher because there's nothing above. The next level that we have above is 644. But yeah, I mean, we'll see. Only time can tell. We still haven't inversed this, so you know the setup is still valid, but only time can tell. Only time can tell. Let me see what ES is doing. Maybe it's faking it out a little bit. Time that is faking it out. I mean, it did close below, so just a little bit of buying coming in. Nothing to be scared of yet. See, what volume is weird today? Nah, the volume is pretty good. It's just the momentum. It's a little bit off. It's a little bit off. Why aren't sellers stepping? Bro, don't ask me, bro. Ask the people selling. Do we wait for both to get inverse? You could if you want to be safe, yeah. But I want to be risky today a little bit. Since I'm sizing light, I might as well just enter early. But yeah, I'm winning on the sell. ES might be better. Yeah, the whole in my opinion, I feel like the whole reason why the market should sell off is because of ES. I don't see why the market should be going up here. Wait, let me see. There's two 5-minute. Murph, I'm trying to inverse the most recent one because I'm entering light, so I don't really care too much about my position. To be fair, so if I'm gonna enter, I'm gonna just enter early and get the early entry off that. I think ES is better. Just wait for the inverse in the lowest one. Yeah. I feel like ES is a lot better than NQ, but I wanted to get NQ here. I use Bitmap 2 and it shows there's a VBOP and retesting liquidity at 550. 550, damn, that's far. Are you in yet? No. We have not inversed, guys. We have not inversed. Are you trading 7 micros? Yeah, I'm gonna do like maybe like 7ish around there. We got a fair value gap above. I know. Don't worry. I have it marked out right here. I don't know. I just like taking NQ over ES. It's gonna play out the same way. I mean, you know, they're pretty. No, they're pretty identical. They're moving identical today or similar. So yeah. What if we inverse the fair level above and go for 683? We could. Definitely not something I would take. Cause I don't like the upside. I don't like the upside potential. At all. I don't think we see upside. We could, but I don't think we do. So yeah, I've been looking for downside all morning today. We'll make a fair value, the fair value valid. If we fail it, and just go right back up. So if we kind of just fake it out. Should I do 2 or 3 units on my 25k account? Do like 5 maybe. Or actually, if you're gonna size light, do like 3 maybe. 3 is pretty reasonable, I would say. But yeah, sellers want this. It's just I don't know. Buyers keep trying to bring this up, so can't really tell you guys anything yet until we inverse this. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna say that the volume is weird today. The momentum is because we've been in the market for an hour and a half, and we haven't formed a single trend so far. Because we opened up right here, green. You know what I mean? Like nothing crazy going on here. But yeah, I'm still waiting on this breakout here. I know we can get it. Just when. We have all, in my opinion, bro, we have all the reason in the world to go down. All the reason in the world. Like if this gets stopped out, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be confused. Like you guys remember when we got stopped out on what was it, ES for no reason, and in this we took the same exact trade 5 minutes later, and it played out. That's bro. Because in my opinion, we have all the reason in the world to sell off. All of the reason in the world. We just need to wait on the confirmation to get in, but we'll see. We need sellers to really step in. I'm pretty sure ES tried selling off here, right? Yep, it tried a little bit harder here. So if ES inverses this, NQ should just die. Like it is just gonna fall. So yeah, we need this to really fall here. What level does it have to break? 622. Okay. Guys, ask me the questions after, guys, because I feel bad for not answering the questions, but remember, I'm trying to focus up here, so I'm not gonna answer your questions for now, so I can focus up a little bit. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just chill out with it. Let's see if this doesn't work. Just come PM. I can't come PM session. I have to go do some tax stuff, with trading and stuff. So I literally can't be on PM session. I won't have time. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, just save it for later. Save it for after the trade. And by the way, guys, if we end up entering and if this end up playing out, guys, make sure to size at least half of your size today. Don't risk too much today, because you guys know it's a Friday. We've had a really good week. Let's not give profits back just because we want more. So be smart, size correctly, and just let the trade do its thing. But yeah, we're still pumping. I don't get why we're pumping up here. We shouldn't be. I guess it's the momentum. I'm still bearish, but I guess the momentum is just a little bit confusing here. Like the market just doesn't know what to do. Because look, we're getting selling, but it's not enough to hold it down. So what worries me about this is that what if we get the inverse and we get faked out right after? That is the worst thing that could possibly happen, in my opinion. That is the worst possible thing that can happen. Still pumping up. It's like we're going up. It's not even that it has strength. That's the thing. Because we can't even, for now at least, we're not breaking any highs. So we're just going up without breaking any highs. So we're going up for no reason. Bro, I almost just spilled all my water on my keyboard. That would not have been good. Look at how weak ES looks compared to NQ. NQ is holding up green. ES is holding up red. Like, I would take yes on a good day. You guys see what I'm saying here? Like, this is red as hell. Or not as hell, but it's red. Right? Like, NQ is ready to go down. The one thing holding it up is NQ. Like, why is it green? It should not be green here at all. It should be selling off. It should have been sold off. There's no reason why the buyers are still trying to hold this up. Look at this. There's no reason at all why buyers should be holding this up. There's nothing above. Like, why? What do they want to possibly target? And I'm not gonna say that today's a seek and destroy. Yesterday was a seek and destroy day for sure, which is why I stayed away from it. But is today a seek and destroy day? Not really. No. Not yet, at least. Not yet. We could trade like Wednesday straight and enter off the second. If you guys want to do that, I'm not saying you guys can't do that. You guys could. You guys really could. If you guys want to wait, bro, Brizzy, can you chill with that, bro? what's it called? I mean, if you guys want to wait for the second inverse, you guys can do that. You guys can really do that. Um, but since I'm sizing light and I don't really care if it stops me out because I'm not gonna be risking practically anything. If anything, I'll probably just be risking like a little bit of the profits from this week. I'd rather just enter early and just get it off that. You get what I'm saying? I might as well. I because I don't really care if I get stopped out or not. Regardless, it'll play out the same way from either or. So if you guys want to play it safe, and really make sure that the play is gonna play out, just take it off this one, off this inverse. But if you guys want to be risky and if you guys are gonna size light and all that stuff, and you guys have your risk, all managed out and stuff, you guys could just take it off this one. It'll be, in my opinion, it's kind of the same thing. That's what I'm doing at least. But I'm still waiting on the setting to come in, bro. Look, look, ES does not want NQ to go higher because it's trying to inverse, but NQ just has other plans. I don't know why it wants to go up. Jesse, if you don't want to do that, just take it off this one. If you want to be safe, just take it off this inverse right here, the second one. It'll be a 20 point. It's not even a big difference. It's like a 20 point difference. You know what I'm saying? It's not huge, but you could always take it off this one. You're risking like what, like 20 points of profit maybe? Yeah, like 20ish points. So you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just enter off this. If you guys want to play safe and get the actual confirmations, just take it off this one. That's if we even go down. I don't know if we will, because I know we're gonna see it. I just don't know when. I just don't know when. Price above that 100 and 200 EMA. It's gone. Thing is, bro, I used to trade EMAs. I don't know if they're as accurate as they used to be. But I mean, we'll see. Only time can really tell. You know what I mean? In my opinion, for me, I have all the reasons in the world to be bearish. I mean, everything is for my model at least, because I don't trade the EMA strat. But for my model, everything is lining up bearish as hell. In my opinion, I don't think the market should even be going up right now. Have you seen? Yeah, I have. I have. Don't worry. I have it marked out right here, just so I have a reference of it. Yeah, I know. I know extra, but that's far. I know we have room to go higher. Of course we do, but that's far. It's the nearest level of liquidity. It's it's 120 points away. So can we see 100? I mean, we've been almost 3 hours into the market, or 2 hours into the market, and we haven't even seen a trend. Let alone us pumping up 100 something points out of complete nowhere. So can we see it? Sure. Do I expect it? No. This thing is so indecisive. How can I make it for this thing to not like? Hold up. How do you play this? Oh, nah, but that's loud as hell. Bro, I'm so scared of setting alerts because, bro, they're so loud and they scare me. Because I don't expect them. Goofy ass. Can we consider this for Valley Cup as a valid one? Yeah, it hasn't been filled yet. We missed it by a bit. By these next 2 weeks, Blast about to have 500 people in here, bro. Who knows? I mean, we just hit, we didn't hit 300 today, but we were close. We were really close. But man, I've been trying to focus up a little bit. But man, it's when we have a market like yesterday and today, it's a little bit a little bit hard. But patience is all we need. I don't want to be so quick to say that price is chopping up yet. It looks like it, but I don't think so. I think it's kind of just consolidating, or buyers are trying to hold this up and sellers are just trying to gain control, and that takes time, a lot of time, sometimes. But look, ES wants to inverse this. I know it. I know the market wants to go down. I know it. Just is that NQ is holding everything up. Like NQ has to blame for everything here. Because like, okay, we're selling off a little bit here, but man, come on now. I know this wants to dump down. Question is when? Maybe now? I don't know. Check my YouTube chat. Oof. Do you use footprint or book maps? No, I don't. I don't. If we don't get it right now, can we come back PM session? You could. I just can't myself. I can't come back PM session. I have to go do some stuff, outside of trading. Is it okay to have losing trades on a funded account? Bro, what? Yeah, of course. Like, what type of question is that? Of course. It's normal. People lose all the time. I lose, you lose, everyone in here loses. I can bet you someone just got in. That's on them. We closed below on ES? No, we haven't. Not yet. We have to close below 622. Shit ain't moving. Bro, yeah, like, man. If it wasn't for you guys, I would have been called it a long time ago. I see this price check, I'm like, hell no. But I really want to give you, because I know I didn't give you guys something yesterday, but if I can't give you guys something today, then so be it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna pull something, out of nowhere to just give you guys something. But I want to stay on to as long as possible so I can get a setup for you guys. But when the market is giving us trouble like this, I can't really promise you guys a trade. We have the setup, but I don't know if it's gonna play out. Like, I don't know if it's gonna, really get hit here. Blast forced us to trade. I want to go red. I mean, bro. I definitely want to trade, but damn, these 2 days. Yeah, no, yesterday, no questions asked. I'm not yesterday with all those fake outs and seek and destroy, all this stuff. I'm good off that. PA is looking a lot like yesterday. A bit, yeah, a bit. I can't really even lie. We have the setup. That's the difference. Yesterday we didn't have a setup at all. Today we have setups, so I want to see if they play out. But yeah, it's not as bad. It's bad, but not as bad. How do you know it's a seek and destroy type of day? When you see your setups, like, okay, how do you know if it's a seek and destroy type of day? When you see a lot of fake outs happening. So you see like a quick move down, and then out of nowhere we pump back up, and then out of nowhere we pump back down. Stuff like that. It's like a seek and destroy type of day is the market creates setups. It looks like it's gonna play out from the setup, and then it fakes you out and it stops you out over and over and over and over and over. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what a seek and destroy is. But I mean, NQ has other plans apparently. Yes, look guys, look at the comparison here. NQ wants higher, ES wants lower. Like I don't know. How do you avoid seek and destroy? I mean, it's as simple as just not trading it. That's the easiest way to avoid it. Like yesterday, we knew we yesterday we all knew that the market was choppy. Yet we knew not to trade it, so we didn't trade it. Bro, yes, guys, I might take ES over NQ because NQ has NQ's holding up these highs. ES wants lower. I don't know, man. I want to take NQ as bad as I do. I might switch over to ES for today. Why do those days happen? Is it because it's banks just stopping people out, like institutions and all that stuff? From the concept that I trade, at least, um, it's institutions stopping everyone out. You know, it's how they make money. What's ES on Tradevate? It's MESU4. But guys, like, we have the setup here, but NQ just doesn't want to go lower. Thing is, ES on the other hand looks bearish as hell. I mean, we swept liquidity to the T. We have the SM. We have not SM. We have the MSS. We have an inverse. We have liquidity below. It looks good. It really does. But NQ just looks so ugly. I don't know if I want to trade this. I mean, regardless, I'm gonna size light. So even if it goes against me, like, I won't really lose practically anything. But still, I want to have a winning trade to end the week. VWAP hit. I got it, bro. I got it. Thing is, colliding. The market is just too indecisive. Like, we don't know what it wants to do. Look at this. I mean, you have it's like a Christmas tree right now. It's green, red, green, red, green, red. Like, we have the setup. We just don't have the I would say the confidence to even take this. As much as I do, you know, I'm gonna say it's light as hell on this. How do you record? Just use OBS. Just use OBS. Yeah, OBS. Yes. Bro, you're asking me what I use to record. I'm telling you OBS. It's called OBS. Like, search it up and you could download it there. On a past eval, how much profit do I need to reach on a 50K account? On a 50K account, the most you can make on a day, with a 30% rule is $780. 780, so practically 800. What do you? Yeah, for like bro. You guys are asking me what I use to record. I'm telling you, I use OBS, and then you're like, what is that? I'm like, what? Yeah, 780. Yeah, 780. And then you have people saying order blocks. Like, bro, no. Anyways, let me see my YouTube chat. Will the recording be on YouTube? Yeah, it will. It will. What do you drive now and what's your dream car? I drive a BMW. My dream car is to see it right now. So I'm trying to get. David, did I enter? No. I'm gonna close the chat real quick, bro, cause bro, I'm tired as hell. Bro, this thing's chopping up, man. I hope we don't chop that much. Because if we do, then I'm not going to trade this shit. I'm not going red on a Friday. Like, we need to sell off now. Like this thing needs to dump right now if I want to take this. Let me see. Yeah, but these last 2 days, guys, after CPI came out, these last 2 days have been horrible. Like, I mean, horrible. I don't know. I don't know if it's because of the. I don't know if it's because of the market pumping up 600 points in one afternoon during CPI, or if CPI came out bearish for the market to be bad. I don't know. It's just ever since CPI came out, I mean, the market has been bad. Like, it's been really bad to trade. Like, all the setups that we've had have been bad. Not that we've taken any losses, but the setups just haven't played out in our favor. I agree. Yeah, it's been really bad. David, you think Kamalo could win? No, I don't think so. I mean, when you have some, when you're paying people to come up to your debates and shit or whatever it is, I don't know. That's kind of a red flag. And guys, by the way, if it comes down to me having to trade PM session, I could trade it on my phone, but I won't be able to do it live. I can give you guys alerts, like an actual alert, but I can't do a live trade. So yeah, because remember guys, I won't be home. I won't be home. So like if I really want to give you guys a trade, which I do, because we have setups, just the price action right now is so slow. Isn't it I4? Yeah, inline four. Yeah, yeah. I think it's like an N20 engine or some shit. I don't know. Please, if you could, yeah, I'll try. I'll try. The one thing I really can't promise you guys today is a live trade during the PM session because, like I said, I won't be home today. I have to go do something. Yeah, and Dark Matter, she's still lost. That's the thing. Big time. Bro, Nick. Let me see. Are you still mad over that silly question? Oh, never mind. That was for me. Okay, I filled that. I don't, bro, man, no, bro, no, bro. What are you doing? Get out of that order right now, bro. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Okay, look. If you're forcing out trades like that, bro, close the charts. Close the charts right now, bro. Get out of the position and close the charts. If you can't stay patient and wait for the setup and stay disciplined, bro, get out of the position and close the charts. Just come back Monday. Just come back Monday, bro. Just like, bro, if you yeah, no, that's bad. That's bad. If you got filled, like if you can get out break even, bro, get out. Get out. That's not how you do it. That is not how you do it. Definitely not how you do it. That urge to make money, yeah, no, that's not good. That's not good at all. If you can get out at break even, bro, get out and close the charts. I don't care if the trade goes green. I don't care if we make $1 million today. I don't care, bro. Close the charts. If you're bored trading and you can't, stay disciplined enough to actually, watch this market and not force trade, just get off get out of the market, bro. That is not your thing to do. That is not the thing to do. Cause right there you just broke your rule. Cause right now, look, you're red, just like that. As simple as that, you're red. You know what I'm saying? As simple as that, you're red. So I don't know why you did that, but yeah, definitely not something. I don't know why you did that, but I can't really do anything about it. If you okay, guys, one thing I can tell you guys is if you guys see yourself getting really bored and fighting the urge to trade, close the charts. If you guys can't be disciplined enough to really not trade throughout this entire market and yesterday, you guys gotta practice that. Like right now, like you guys gotta fix it right now. Yeah, just journal it. Journal it. 550 coming as well. I mean, bro, I don't really see anything at 550. Maybe the fair value gap, I guess, but I don't know. Bro, if I don't see anything, but in like, I don't know, if I don't see a rejection here, I'll just call it a live and just alert it, text. Let me see, David. Yams, what would you end up trading today? What'd you end up trading? Yo, Blast, what was your favorite childhood snack? Low bites. Low bites for me. Okay, Blast. Let me see. You gotta give me a guess trade. I have to full port this account. It's my last day. Um. Okay, let me ask you this: are you gonna buy a new account? If you are, if you're gonna buy a new account, how far in profit are you on this account to the point where you want to restart? Like, if you're in profit in this account, just wait for the rebuild, and then we're getting a random selling candle. All right, just wait for the rebuild and just keep trying to pass it. But if your account is in drawdown, like you're negative on the account, I guess you can full port it if you want to. I don't know. But I don't know. That's not something I can really answer for you. Bro, if you're 1K in profit, bro, just let that account. If you're gonna buy that account again, just let it rebuild, and then you'll still be up $1,000. So that's $1,000 less than of what you have to worry about. I got it right away. Yeah, good, bro. I don't know why you placed that trade. That was a board. That was the worst trade you could have possibly done today, bro. Any political view? I don't really care about that too much. It's not that I can share. I could. I mean, I feel like I could say, you know, anything about it. I mean, why can't I? You know what I'm saying? I just don't really have one. I don't really care all that much about it. It's crazy how many exactly. And Crystal, the thing is with this, bro, like you hear people blowing accounts, and then you're trading a market like this. Like, of course you're gonna blow up an account. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't care if the trade goes up $1,000,000. I don't care if the trade goes down or whatever, bro. If you're placing, if you're like, fuck it, I just want to enter, bro. Like, for what? What? You might as well just go to the casino, bro. Gotta follow my rules exactly, and you broke those rules. You get what I'm saying? Like, if you guys catch yourself placing board trades up here, like you're done, bro. Like, for what? There's no point in doing that. Even me, like right now, this market right here, I don't even want to trade it. Like, it's getting to the point where I'm gonna consider a choppy market. You guys are making Apex free money? Yeah, it's how they're profitable. It's how Apex is such a big firm. Did you see Cardi drop? I haven't heard it yet. But yeah. Bro, I'm about to call it for this live, bro. There's no way. This market today has been all over the place, just like yesterday. If I see anything PM session, I will alert it, but I won't do a live because I can't. But yeah, no, this right here, I don't know what the hell's going on, but it's not worth trading at all. I learned the lesson on patience, bro. Journal it right now, bro. If you can journal, because whatever you're doing right here, it's the thing is, I'm not trying to get rebuilt for 76 when I could buy 25. You're not gonna get rebuilt for 76, are you? Does it say it? I'm pretty sure you get rebuilt for the same price that you bought that account for. Oh, it's a oh, okay. I thought you were trading Apex. Oh, then if that's the case, then I guess, you know, just don't take the trade now. Maybe take it when the market starts moving a little bit more. But right here, even if you take longs or shorts, you're probably gonna get stopped out on either or. Can you make this more known? Let me see. Okay, man, I just gotta say this. Y'all need to let David work and stop blowing. The thing is, I don't worry. Like, I read the chat here and there. What's it called? But when I'm gonna focus, like I close the charts. Like I don't know if you guys can see. No, you guys can't see my second monitor, but I'm really quick to close the charts. Really quick, or the chats. My bad. So don't even stress it. Don't even stress it. But right now, since the market's not doing anything, I might as well just answer the questions that I get. My max drawdown went from 2,500 to how should I think? Just size less. Dante, size less. Because if you lost $1,000, I'm assuming in one trade, then you're oversizing too much. No. I can't I can't see your name because it's dotted out. You guys can see right here. But he means his okay. So with evaluation accounts, not PAs, evaluation accounts, unfunded accounts, they rebuild every month. And he doesn't want to get rebuilt again for $76 when he bought that account for $30. So yeah, but guys, right here, would you guys want to come back PM session? Cause this market is so bad. No, if you get rebuilt, no, it does not. It does not. It does not reset that account. But yeah, guys, bro, this market is way too choppy right here. It's way too bad. Way too bad. Yeah. So guys, if anything, worst comes to worst, if I do see a setup, I will commentate on it in the commentary channel. I will let you guys know how to enter and all that stuff as always. But I won't be doing another live trade for the PM session. Not today. I usually do them as you know always, but not today. I'm gonna be busy. But if I do see a setup play out, guys, I will post the setup in the alert channel. So be very like pay attention to it. But yeah, guys, please do not force a trade in. Let me see. Yours plays in the PM submission. No, it didn't. It didn't play out. It never did. But yeah, guys, please do not force out a trade in this market. Please do not force out a trade. Please don't be, don't get bored and force out a trade. Don't get impatient and force out a trade. Please stay disciplined and patient. If you guys do not see a setup today, okay, that's fine. We were green as hell this week, right? So please let that be known. All right, guys. But yeah, if I do see something come out later today, then I will alert it. All right, guys. All right. I'll see you guys in the chat. I'll be active in the chat if anything. All right, guys. Take it easy, guys. Peace.